I have a 2-for-1 for you today. These are a pair of starting lineup Timeless Legends 1996 edition by Kenner, who at this point was owned by Hasbro. First here we have Jesse Owens, so we'll kind of in chronological order. Jesse Owens was a track and field star. They're actually both track and field stars. And his, he just completely dominated his sport, was a 3-time gold medalist, but he participated in the Olympics, I think it was 1936, in Berlin, Germany, where Hitler thought that, obviously that idea of Aryan supremacy, and so with Jesse Owens winning and beating Hitler's Aryan competitors, kind of threw that idea in Hitler's face. So it was a pretty big moment, but also kind of notable, though Jesse Owens wasn't invited to the White House by the president at that time, so it's not like we were Nazis, but we definitely weren't equal, that was for sure. So you can see here, he went to Ohio State, did pretty good, and 36 Olympics, he got gold medals in the 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meter relay, and the long jump, so he, just crushed at the 1936 Olympics. So, and obviously, a civil rights hero as well. To do that literally while Hitler was watching is pretty remarkable and a pretty amazing moment in athletic history. Over here we have Jackie Joyner-Kersee. So she's more recent. I'm not sure the exact year. We'll kind of look this up. I remember, that name floating around when I was a kid. Obviously, track and field, unfortunately, doesn't get a whole lot of attention until the Olympics rolls around. So a lot of these athletes at this time, especially the track and field athletes, you don't really hear about until they're on an international stage, unless they're in McDonald's commercials, which was kind of a thing too. So she's born in 1962. She took the gold medal in the heptathlon at the 1988 and 1992 Olympics. She won the gold medal in the long jump in 88 and the bronze in the long jump in 92. So also a very talented athlete winning at various events. So, and obviously Jesse Owens paved the way for people like Jackie Joyner-Kersee and Florence Griffith Joyner, people like that. So there she is, got that kind of rod in her knee from kind of keep her running. So what a matchup that would be, right? Jackie Joyner-Kersee and Jesse Owens running in a race. That would be something else. But yeah, kind of a couple of cool figures, especially if you are into sports or into the Olympics, or again just kind of civil rights and American history. So thanks for watching. These were the starting lineup Timeless Legends 1996 edition, Jesse Owens and Jackie Joyner-Kersee.